morning children. Today we are going to learn 7th chapter coordinate geometry. In this chapter we are going to discuss how to find the distance between the points, section formula, how to find the area of the triangle and how to find the slope. So in this class we are going to discuss coordinates of the point, distance between two points. So here coordinates of the point. First of all, what are coordinates? Already you know, we will represent the points in Cartesian plane or graph paper. Coordinate plane, Cartesian plane or graph paper. So here in Cartesian plane, if you see, this is vertical line. Is it correct? It is vertical line. The vertical line represents y-axis. The vertical line represents y-axis. So this standing line is called vertical line. The vertical line represents y-axis. And this horizontal line represents x-axis. This is sleeping line. Do you know sleeping line? So this is the horizontal line. This line represents x-axis. So in the Cartesian plane, the vertical line represents y-axis and the horizontal line represents x-axis. Now here, this is the intersection point of horizontal line and vertical line is origin. O-R-I-G-I-N. It is origin. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2. So here this is x-axis. So here this is origin. Right side of 0 it represents x-axis. So this is x. All positive numbers will be there. And this is left side of 0. This is x dash. X dash means will represent negative numbers on the number line. And here origin above. This is y. So we will represent positive numbers. And down of 0 it is y dash. So here negative numbers will be there. So did you understand? First of all, here in a Cartesian plane, the vertical line represents y-axis, the horizontal line represents x-axis, and here the intersection point of vertical line and horizontal line is called origin. The numbers which are here, right side of 0 represents positive coordinates of x. Here on x-axis we will write a positive numbers. Here left side we will write negative numbers, x dash. So this is positive numbers up, down, minus. Okay. So this is about Cartesian plane. Okay. Now suppose if I represent here one point A. This is point A. What is this? This is point A. So I kept one point on the Cartesian plane. Now I want to know the coordinates of the point. See here, first of all, it is point A. You see A is how much, it is at a distance of, how much distance from the y-axis. So how many units distance? 1, 2, 3. So A is at a distance of 3 units from the y-axis. Is it correct? Here A is at a distance of 3 units from the y-axis. So here the distance of a point from the y-axis is called x-coordinate. The distance of point from x-axis, from y-axis is called x-coordinate. So here you see, here what is this point? Here is kept. So this point is at a distance of 1, here you see, 2, 3. 3 units from the y-axis. So it is called x-coordinate. In the same way, A is at a distance of 2 units from the x-axis. The distance of a point, from x-axis is called y-coordinate. So here A is at a distance of 2 units from the x-axis. So it is called y-coordinate. So what is x-coordinate? The distance of a point from the x-axis is called x-coordinate. The distance of a point from the y-axis. That means from A to x-axis, how much distance is there? That is called y-coordinate. A to y-axis, how much distance is there? That is x-coordinate. Okay? And here x-coordinate, here if you write A 3, 2, here first one is called first coordinate or abscissa. It is also called first coordinate or abscissa. Here 2 is called second coordinate or ordinate. So in a ordered place we have here it represents x coordinate. Is it correct? This x coordinate is also called first coordinate or it is also called abscissa. Here this second coordinate is this y coordinate is also called second coordinate or y coordinate. Okay? So this is about Cartesian plane. Now let us see here. There are 2 points A and B. 2 points are there in the Cartesian plane. So here first point is A 2, 1, and second one is B 4, 4. Now suppose my home is here. My home is at A. Your home is at B. Now I want to find the distance between my home and your home. So I want to find the distance between my home and your home. How to find the distance between my home and your home? See here we should not use the scale and we should not measure the distance between the 2 points. That is not correct way. Okay, here for finding the distance we have one formula. So here I want to find the distance between the 2 points A, B. A and B are the 2 points. I want to find the distance between the points. The formula of distance between the points is x2 minus x1 whole square root of whole root, this is full root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Remember the root is we have to keep for full root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by using this formula we can find the distance between the 2 points. Okay, see here this formula is nothing but here you see how to find. First of all, here these are the x coordinates and y coordinates. So here x1, y1, x2, y2, because this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. That's why I am keeping here this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I will find the distance between the 2 points by using this formula. What is the formula here? So here x2, what is x2 here? 4. Close, open the bracket, 4 minus, what is x1 here? 2 whole square plus y2, 4 minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 2 how much? 2. 2 square. 4 minus 1 how much? 3. 3 square. 2 square means 4. 4 plus 9 how much? Root 13 units. So the distance between the 2 points A and B is root 13 units. Can we find by using the scale root 13 units? No, we can't find. That's why whenever we are going to find the distance between the 2 points in the Cartesian plane, we should not use any scale or anything. Okay? So like this we can find. This one we can find by using Pythagoras theorem also. See here. from y-axis I am keeping from x-axis. From y-axis from x-axis. So here I am drawing a line. This is 90 degree. Let us keep this point as C. Now here we got a right angle triangle A, C, B. So here A 2, 1, B 4, 4. Here you see AC distance. Here this points no need Pythagoras theorem because we have to find the length. Here AC length how much am here? 2 to 4, 1, 2 units. So the length of AC is 2 units. The length of BC is 1, 2, 3 units. Actually, the length of B to x-axis is 4. So we have to remove 1 unit. So 4 minus 1, 3. Here also, the total length, here 4 units. From 4 units we have to subtract, take out 2 units. 4 minus 2, 2. So here this is 2. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So here AB square equal to AC how much? 2 square plus 3 square. AB square equal to 2 square means 4 plus 3 square means 9. AB equal to 4 plus 9, 30. So AB equal to root 30 units. So by using the Pythagoras theorem also same we are getting, by using the distance formula also same we are getting. This is nothing but, see Pythagoras theorem only we are applying. See here, this is 2 square. So here also 2 square. This is 3 square. Here also 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square, 4 plus 9, 13. So like this we can find the distance between the 2 points. So what is the formula of finding the distance between the 2 points? The formula of finding the distance between the 2 points is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. See here we have some formula related to distance. Distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this formula we can apply to any sum we can apply for finding the distance. Any coordinates we can apply this formula. So if you remember only this formula, we can find the distance between the 2 points easily. Next one, distance between a point P x1 y1 from origin O 0, 0 is x1 square plus y1 square. Why? Because suppose like this is there. This is a coordinate plane. 1, 2, 3. This is x-axis. 1, 2, 3. Here one point is there. So I want to find the distance of this point from the origin. Origin is what? From O. If I want to find the distance of the point from the origin, directly we can use the formula x1 square plus y1 square, because if you take this one as x1 y1, what are the coordinates of origin? Already you know, 0, 0. Now this is if you take as x2 y2. So what is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 means what? 0 minus x1. So 0 minus x1 how much? Minus x1 whole square. Minus x1 whole square means, for minus also square will be there, it becomes plus x1 whole square. So this is x1 square. In the same way, y2 is 0 here. 0 minus y1 whole square. So 0 minus y1 whole square means minus y1 square. So it is y1 square. So if you want to find the distance of a point from the origin, directly we can apply this formula, or shortcut we can apply this formula for saving the time. Okay? Root x1 square plus y1 square. The distance between the 2 points x1 y1 and x1 y2 on a line parallel to y-axis. For example, if you take the 2 points here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am taking one point here, 1, 2. Here coordinates are same. Is it correct? X coordinates are same. Here also we have to take x coordinate same. So 1 comma 2. Now I will take 1 comma 4. What you observe here? X coordinates are same. This one x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay. Here x coordinates are same. So whenever the x coordinates are same, if you join the 2 points, the line is parallel to y-axis. Is it correct? See, here if you join the 2 points, you get a line which is parallel to y-axis. That's why here it is given parallel to y-axis. Is mod y2 minus y1. How it is mod y2 minus y1? You see, x2 minus x1 whole square here. Because both are same. Then y1 minus 1 how much? 0. 0 square. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. If x2 minus x1 whole square is 0, then what is left? y2 minus y1 whole square is left. Square and root will be cancelled. So what is the answer here? Only y2 minus y1. But here we are keeping mod. What is the use of keeping mod? Sometimes if you not keep mod, here you get the value of y2 minus y1 as negative. So the distance should not be negative. If you get negative, if mod is there, so the absolute value of that value becomes positive. So that's why we are using mod. Suppose if you got mod minus 4, then the value is plus 4. If you not keep mod, so you get minus 4. The distance should not be negative. So that's why the distance between the 2 points x1 y1 and x1 y2 on a line parallel to y-axis is mod y2 minus y1. In the same way, the distance between the 2 points here x1 y1, x2 y1. So here y coordinates are same. See here. Y coordinates are same. 1 comma 3, 4 comma 3. What do you observe here? Y coordinates are same. Here also given x1 y1, x2 y1. Here y coordinates are same. So then if you join, the line is parallel to y-axis. Is it correct? The line is parallel to y-axis. Then what is the formula? Here y coordinates are same, no? So this one minus this one both becomes 0. Because here y coordinates 3. 3 minus 3 0. So here what is that? Root x2 minus x1 whole square. Then again square and root will be cancelled. So what is left here? Mod x2 minus x1. So if the y coordinates are same, then the formula is mod x2 minus x1. If x coordinates are same, then the formula is mod y2 minus y1. So these are the 4 formulas related to exercise 1. Now you see, find the distance between the points A1 comma 2, B3 comma 4. How to find the distance between the points A1 comma 2, B3 comma 4. What is given? Given A1 comma 2, B3 comma 4. This one you take as x1, this is y1, x2, y2. What you observe here? It is not the distance from the origin. Here x coordinates are not equal, y coordinates are not equal. So what is the formula of distance? Distance between A and B equal to, what is the formula? Already told distance formula is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root, what is the value of x2 here? 3 minus 1 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 1 how much? 2 square. Plus 2 square. 2 square plus 2 square 8. 2 square means 4. 4 plus 4 8. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Under root 2 2s are there means we can bring outside. So 2 root 2 units. So like this we can find the distance between the 2 points. they gave, find the distance of point 3, 4 from origin. What is the meaning of this? Let us take one point as 3, 4. Second point we take B as origin. Origin means what are the coordinates? 0, 0. For this also we can apply the formula root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Otherwise, simply we can apply the formula distance between A. Directly can write A. That means distance between A and B equal to x square plus y square. Because here x and y value is only there. Here zeros are there. 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is how much? 9 plus 60. Root 25. Root 25 means 5 square. Square and root will be cancelled. So the distance between the points A and B is 5 units. Okay. So this is about distance. How to find the distance of a point from the origin. Now find the distance between the points A 3, 4, B 3, minus 1. So what is given? Given A 3, 4, B 3, minus 1. Here in these two coordinates, what you observe? Here x coordinates are same. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. What you observe here? X coordinates are same. If x coordinates are same, we can apply directly the formula root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Otherwise, if x coordinates are same, then what is the formula? Modulus of y2 minus y1. What is y2 minus 1? Minus 4. How much? Mod minus 5. What is the absolute value of mod minus 5? 5 units. That's why we are keeping the mod here. In the same way, if suppose here minus 3 is there, here 4 is there. So what we observe here? We observe that y coordinates are same. If y coordinates are same, which formula we have to use? Mod x2 minus x1. What is x2 here? Minus 3, minus 3. Mod minus 3, mod 6. 6 units. So the distance between the points A and B is 6 units. Okay. So like this we have to find the distance between the points. Here we have some questions based on these topics. See here in page number here do this is there. Try this. Next again do this. Try this. Think and discuss. Page number 168 do this. Try this. Think and discuss. In the same way, exercise 7.1, first Roman, second Roman, up to second Roman, you have to complete the homework. Okay? Thank you.